Hello everyone, my name is Gajan Morak. Today's date is the 10 December 2022, and today's video topic is the difference between the array list and the linked list. So array list and the linked list is the implements the list interfaces, and both are maintain the insertion order. Maintain the insertion order. What is we need to use the array list and linked list, because the array is the fixed size. If we need to increase the size of the array in at the runtime, in that case we need to use the dynamic array. So we use for that the array list or the linked list. There are the many differences between the array list and the linked list. That's we are discussing this video. So first difference between the array list and linked list is the array list is using the dynamic array for the storing the elements, while the linked list is uses a doubly linked list for storing the elements in this list. So the next difference between the array list and linked list is the manipulation in the array list is slow. In the array list is slow because at the middle element is deleted, or at the time of addition the other elements are the to be need to the shifted. And in the linked list, the manipulation of the list is the very faster, because it contains the doubly linked list. For example, we remove the middle element, then middle element in the array list. Then we need to the after that middle element, we need to the these elements are shifted to the left side. Each element shifted to the left side. But in the linked list, if we remove this middle element, then due to the doubly linked list, we store the second elements, the object address to the before the middle element object address. That's why it is faster as compared to the array list. The third difference between the array list and the linked list, the third difference between the array list and linked list is the it array list is the slow in array list is good at the store the data and access the data, and linked list is useful for the manipulation for the data. And this is my point of view about the difference between the array list and the linked list. Thank you.